My name is Tom Amor. I'm with Amor Sign Studios, and what we have running right now is a slideshow of some of the work we've done. Also connected is Mike Bergman. He's our production manager. And as these slides go through, I can show you some of the types of work that we do. We're a designer and a manufacturer, as well as an installation company and a service company. And all of these pictures of signage that are flashing are different types of work that we've produced out of our shop. We start with design. We have a graphic designer who's a graduate of Kendall School of Design, and our salespeople will talk to customers and get pictures and measurements of buildings and put it all together. After that, we do shop drawings, and it goes out to our floor, and we've got fabrication and finish department. So we do vinyl graphics, we do spray painting, and then when it's time to put it up, we have the equipment to lift and install, and making sure the foundations are appropriate for the wind loads, and building fastening, as well as everything laid out to scale, so you get some of these pleasing finished products. The Vogue Theater is one of our renovation projects, as was the Storm Cloud Brewing. This is a sign with a stone base, and you can see we assembled that in our shop and carried it to the site. It was a faux stone, not real stone. So we use a variety of materials, and we always approach things visually like an architect. And with different materials, we can hit different price points. So we can do signs, awnings, LED displays, and even full storefronts. Here are some examples of LED message centers. And maybe from here, I'll go into the ISA introduction to the industry video. Sound all right?
Have at it.
All right.
If there's any questions at any time, go ahead and post them in the chat. You can post it to everyone, or you can send it to just me, and I will bring it up to Tom and Mike here.
Okay, this is a video put out by the International Sign Association. It gives a little walkthrough of what our industry is all about.
Having trouble figuring out what to do with the rest of your life? How about a career in an industry you see and use every day? It takes you places. It's part of your life, and it can even make you laugh. We're talking about the sign and visual communications industry. And the road to making even the simplest sign is one you should be a part of. Let's go back in time a little. This sign didn't just appear atop this building. Someone without a fear of heights hung this bad boy. And before that, it was created and brought to life with lots of gadgets and gizmos. And even before that, a tech-savvy artsy type designed it, all for one awesomely effective sign. As part of the sign workforce, you can work in graphic design, you can work with 3D printers, and the world of digital signage is taking our industry for a wild ride. Maybe you're more of a hands-on kind of guy or gal. And that's cool too, because we need installers, electricians, and welders. The careers are endless. Do you have big city dreams? Or are you more comfy in a small town? Do you want to wear a suit to work? Or are jeans more your style? It doesn't really matter, because sign companies come in all sizes. So, where's your next stop? How about an amazing career in the sign and graphics industry? Get started at signs.org/careers. You'll find everything you need to jumpstart your career today.
And here's one more with Alfonso talking about working in our industry.
I'm Alfonso Guida, and my duties here are to fabricate signs. When I attended Sign Manufacturing Day here at Sign Tech, I came in and it was a different field than when I was at school. There was machines I never knew and never seen before. And it all interested me to see how people work in the real world. When I chose a career in welding, it was based on the fact that there's a high demand for welders. There's always going to be a need for them. I love to work with my hands. I'm a hands-on person. I want, something I can come to work every day and be happy doing. Plus the pay is pretty good. I'm Alfonso Guida and I attended Sign Manufacturing Day. I work for Sign Tech and I love my job.
So, Maura, if I see there's a chat, if you have any questions or things you'd like to know about the sign industry, Mike or myself can help with any questions. Kyle is with Michigan Works, and he's facilitating and keeping an eye on the chats. Amor Sign is a family-owned fourth-generation sign company. And like I said earlier, we do everything from design to manufacture. Some of the careers in our field would be graphic designers. We have an IT guy that does estimating and he does CAD work. We've got operators, hi Mealy, that produce vinyl graphics. We have routing equipment. We do awnings, so we have sewing going on, and we've got a hermetic sealer. We also have spray paint equipment, welding equipment, kind of like Alfonso was showing us. One of the projects we did recently was a Baker College project of 4 campuses. They've asked us now to look at a 5th campus down in Jackson. And here's a sketch of a freestanding sign. And we like to look at, with signage and a wayfinding program, as a motorist is coming into the campus, we like to have boundary signage that shows that you've arrived. And then freestanding signage and directionals. This is a motorist directional sign. So when you're in the car, these type of signs will point you to a place to park. When you are parked, you may want to see some other directionals showing you which direction to walk to a building. And then when you get to the building, you want to know that you've arrived. So here's if you can see the photos at the very bottom, this set of letters will go on the building.